Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've got an unboxing to do today. Yay, we like unboxings. And this has come to me from the wonderful people at paintsomeway.com. They asked if I would like some more products to show on my channel. I said yes, because I love everything that you've done. And if you saw my clock making up, then yeah, you'll see they were wonderful, and I have given some of them out already, so yeah, they were all for Christmas presents, but these are possibly for me. We'll have to see. So let's see what's in this. Oh, we've got a box, yay, and we've got another box. So, oh, a little box. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so we have a bigger box and a smaller box. Wow, what shall we open first? Before we do though, special offers at paintsomeway.com. If you add 4 to your basket, you get 1 free. And there is 6% off at the moment, as well as like a flash sale, and it's free shipping over $49, which is going to be around about £39-ish mark. So yeah, do go and check those out. If you're watching this at a future date, other than when I'm unboxing it, then the offers may have changed, so just double check and check what applies to your area as well for your shipping. But yay, shall we get into these and see what we've got? Save that one till last, that small box, because I think that's something I've not had before. So yay, interesting. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ta ta ta. Okay. Oh, what have we got? What have we got? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's fantastic. Okay, pen button wax is just coming out last. Oh, and we've just got a little bit of foam there as well. It's come well packaged, and we have no breaks whatsoever. This is lovely. Look at that, double-sided. And this is the lid side. Oh. Oh, what's going on now? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, don't do that. And this is the Christmas side. Ho, ho, ho. But that is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I've not seen this one before. I've seen a few different versions of this, and I've got a few picture versions of this. But yeah, I've not seen this one, and I thought, oh, I'll just have to get it because it's brilliant. But we've got all different patterns. Look, we've got like plaid and tartan, and we've got a little bit of leopard print there as well on that one. And look at the face on that reindeer. He is so proud, and he's got a red nose, so we've got a Rudolph. Yay! And then we've got a very happy, jolly Santa, ho, ho, hoing, with a very red nose as well, so it must be very cold. And then we've got the little snowman with his carrot nose, so his carrot's orange. It's definitely cold, look, because we've got all the snowflakes coming down as well. But they're all well wrapped up with, well, the Santa and the snowman have got the hats, and the snowman's got a scarf, and it looks like Rudolph's got a scarf as well. Oh, but look at the eyes on that reindeer. He's gorgeous. Oh, I love him. And that's quite a good size as well. What do we think this size is going to be? About 10 inches, do we think, maybe? Let's see. It is. It's nearly 10 inches. Oh, it's 9 3/4 inches, 25 centimetres. Is that yeah. So, oh, it could be if you go from the tip of the antler. We're about 10 inches-ish. So it's a really good size. You've got your oval-shaped stand, so you can either pop it into a stand, or I will probably be putting a command strip over the back of here and putting it on the wall. I've got a space that I think it will just fit and make things just look that bit more sparkly. But that is just stunning. That is just gorgeous. It is so cute. Oh, yay, I'm loving that. And it's got a cover sheet on the back, and then you've got your sheet on there for where all the sticky is for all your gems are. So you'll just take that off and do your diamond painting. They are only a partial, so it's just where the gems, just where the numbers and letters are, that your gems will go. But look at that. Oh, I just love that smiley reindeer. Look at his little mouth round there. Look at his little red cheeks. Oh, Yeah, it's not very often you see them actually with the red nose when it's a reindeer painting. They've not very often got one, but goodness me, Santa's got a very red nose. I think he's had a few sherries. Okie doke, right. So yeah, your Penboten wax, we'll just pop that out of the way for now. And let's have a look at all these crystals. Look at these lovely bright colours. What do we think our colours go up to? 10 possibly. I can see some 10s. Quite a few different special shapes and specials on this one though. Yeah, we go up to 10. Okay, no gem or crystal codes on these, but that's okay, we don't mind. When it looks as good as this, we can just do a generic kitting down. So we've got a lovely Christmassy green and a Christmassy red. And that's quite a palish gold, but very pretty. And your sparkly silver. And a little bit of your black there, your 310 black. Oh, and 2 rounds there, just 2. I'm guessing that's going to be number 6, which will be just the one there, look. Rudolph has got a bauble on his head. So we've got a spare, we like spares. And they're the semi-spheres in the red, so it's like a half ball. And then we've got some tiny semi-spheres in red. And neither of those have got facets on, so you do get a little bit of a different reflection, a different look. And then we've got some green marquees, lovely Christmassy green there. Oh, and some bright red marquees, they're pretty. And then some more green marquees. So it's quite a limited colour palette. We are very, very Christmassy. Other than your gold, it's basically red and green. Yeah, and then we're just throwing in a little bit of gold and a little bit of silver. And then your black will just sort of ground it all. Are those snowflakes black then? They are. Oh, so that's going to be interesting to do then. Oh, I've never done black snowflakes before. But I do think it will possibly need it with all the red and green going on. I think it will need something sort of ground it to make everything else stand out a bit more. But once the cover sheets are off these, they will look as though they're floating. So if it's up against a wall, you will look as though you've got little black snowflakes on your wall. Ooh, better than yellow snow. If you're a dog owner, you'll know what I mean. Right, so the little tiny red ones, we've got them. Rudolph's got some holly on his head there, and so is Santa. Oh, and so is the snowman, so they're definitely in the festive spirit, aren't they? And then the little green holly ones are all on this one here, look. And then the red ones looks like are all on the letters. And then the larger green ones are on the letters and also... And then the larger green ones look like they're just the holly leaves. Oh, so we've got a lot of the green ones there, and there's not really that many on the picture. So I think we're going to have a lot of spares. I do like my spares, but I'm really pleased with this one. I love this one. It's such a happy painting, and we do like to be happy. Okay, right. Da, da, da. Okay, so let us see what's in this one. I'll show you what it is, but it's something, as I say, that I've not had one of these before. Okay, let's see what we've got. It's a DIY kit. So, get all the bits out of the box. We have had this before as the candle holder, but there's a lot of new ones come out, and this one is all stuck together as well, which is good because the last couple that I've got haven't been stuck together, and I've had to stick these parts on them. So yeah, that's good. That's your little tea light holder, and as I say, battery tea lights please. And we've got our 2 little stands, look, rather than being a round stand, it's a rectangle stand. We've got Penboten wax and a few little grip seal backs, always handy. We've got our instructions. I'm trying to cover it over so you can't see which one it is. It's not this one, but this is one of the ones that have come out. So anybody that likes your sugar skulls, they do have this one. And particularly coming up to Halloween, then yeah, this one would be really good. Just some really different, and I love The candle holders are one of my favourite items that have come out this year because they're just so useful and they're just such good designs. So we're all crystals, but look, we've got a camel. Well, actually, we've got 2 camels, 2 humps. But isn't that fantastic? So I've had a candle holder before, but I've never had a camel diamond painting. And this is just wonderful. And as soon as I saw the camel, I thought, I've got to have that camel. It just really made me laugh. The thought of having a camel with a candle on its back just really tickled my sense of humour, shall we say. So rather than being a little round, like a coaster sized diamond paint and the sort of tall round ones, they've now started doing figures as the candle holders. And I just think this is wonderful. I just thought, oh, I've got to have a camel. And I think he will just about, because that's quite a nice slim base there. I think he will just about sit on my fireplace. So you just pop, this side is sticky on this side, and the best way to put these together once you've done all your diamond painting is to pop that into that one there, then take your sticky off, because then that means that the base of the camel that just sounds so funny, put your base of your camel into the other slot. And then when you put that one on there, that will stick to the larger base and you've got it all completely lined up. If you put the smaller base onto the larger base first, it might move slightly and you might then struggle to get your camel in. Oh dear, that just sounds so funny. And then your little top bit will just go on there. Oh dear me. Do you know, I do amuse myself sometimes. Then, as I say, because it's wooden, I would recommend a little tea light. That is a battery operated one. And you've just got your little camel with a tea light on its back. Oh dear. Sorry, I do apologise, but it's just really amusing me, this. I think I should have really got 2, shouldn't I, so that I can have... Oh! One facing each way. But I love the fact that it's double-sided, so there is quite a few gems to do on this. The price of your camel is $7.99, which will work out about... just under £7-ish, so I think that's a brilliant price. But yeah, I mean, anybody that's recently been to a country and they've maybe ridden on a camel or had a bit of an accident with a camel, because I know when they tip forward, quite a few people fall off from watching YouTube videos and things. Then yeah, quite possibly this would be a funny gift to give them. The ones that I'm going to give to people as Christmas gifts, I am going to include the little battery operated tea light with it as well, so they don't have to go hunting for one and they don't try putting standard one in. I suppose if you've got one of those little cups that like a little pot cup that you put a votive or something in, they may be okay, but you've got to be really careful with naked flames around wood. My dad was a fireman, so I've really been taught to be careful with fire. Oh dear, these are absolutely brilliant. I love them so much. Oh dear me. But that camel is absolutely awesome. Right, let's have a look and see what gems we're going to be putting on the camel. Oh, now then, that's number 19. So it looks like we're going to have 19 different gems and colours. Wow. That is awesome. I know it's double-sided, but goodness me. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh dear, I do think camels are funny. We went to a camel farm once, and it was here in the UK, and this camel was just huge, and the man wanted it to come outside so people could see him, and this camel was just sat there like, nope, I'm not coming out. If you think I'm coming out, nope, definitely not. He's my kind of camel, got his own mind. So, yeah, we are up to 19 colours. Wow. lots of specials. Oh my goodness me. So in our standard size crystals, we have a deep dark red and a Christmassy red and a lovely honey gold and a lemony gold. And we've got a lime green and a Christmassy green and a lovely deep blue and another sort of honey gold, because that's more of an orangey peachy colour, that one. And an orangey colour, very bright orange, very nice. And a darker green, a little bit sagey green, that one. And that's more of a chestnutty colour. And a jadey green colour. And that's a, sort of a champagne gold colour. And then our special shapes and different sizes. So we've got some larger rounds in red. Have they got facets on? They have got facets on. And then some larger orange colours. And then some, of that lovely blue round with facets. And then a green one in round with facets. And then we've got these tiny little marquees with an iridescent coating. And then, look at these. These are like the shell ones. So it's going to be a very posh camel, because number 19 is this like shell shape with an iridescent coating on it. It's like an orangey colour. So all of those little rounds are going to go all on this like blanket that he's got on his back. And then all on his little reins there as well. Wow, there is going to be so much colour on this. I mean, I have got it for Christmas and I have said that it is Christmassy colours, but actually you could have this out all year round. You know, it is something that you could use and use for your candles. It's not something you have to put away after Christmas. It doesn't scream Christmas. I suppose it's like the three kings arrived on the camels, so it could be for that reason, but it could, as I say, just be for the fact that somebody's fallen off a camel and you think it's really funny to buy them a camel. Just me then. Okay, well, huge thank you, Paintsomeway, for sending me these. Do go to paintsomeway.com and check out the special offers and see what's available. And yeah, possibly get a camel. Oh, I love him so much. And he's just smiling. Look at that, he's smiling away. He thinks it's funny too. And I think these HoHoHos think it's quite funny as well. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everyone, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.